It's a mess. Oh. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. आज सिर्फ आर्या और मैं हैं घर पे. प्रेश हैड टू गो टू ऑफिस आफ्टर 1 year ऑफ वर्क फ्रॉम होम. उसका ऑफिस स्टार्ट हो गया है, बट इट्स गोना बी ओनली 2 days a week for now, so that's a good thing. I'm feeling very weird because इतने दिन से he was at home. He would be working but still he was at home all the time. Even Arya was feeling a little weird because सुबह उठ के उसको पापा दिखाई नहीं दिए. शी woke up late by the time he had gone to office. So she was looking for him everywhere. Anyway, कभी ना कभी तो स्टार्ट होना ही था ऑफिस, तो हो गया है. अभी एक्चुअली मैंने बहुत लेट स्टार्ट किया है व्लॉग. ऑलमोस्ट शाम हो गई है, 4:45 बज रहे हैं. बट सुबह से मैं बहुत बिजी थी बिकॉज आई वॉज अलोन विथ आर्या. आई हैड टू डू एवरीथिंग फॉर हर. एंड अब फाइनली वो सो गई है. बहुत लेट नैप लिया उसने आज. अब सोच रही हूँ कुछ काम कर लिया जाए. एक पेंटिंग मैं बना रही थी फॉर दीज वॉल फ्रेम्स दैट आई हैव. बहुत दिन से वो इनकम्प्लीट रखी हुई है, तो आई थॉट कंप्लीट कर लेती हूँ. बाय द वे, आई हैव नेवर टोल्ड यू गाइज, आई थिंक ये यू मस्ट बी थिंकिंग कि ऐसा इनकम्प्लीट सा लगता है कलर वाइज. दैट्स बिकॉज इनकम्प्लीट ही है. लाइक आई स्टार्टेड मेकिंग दीज पेंटिंग्स. आई एम गोइंग विद दिस येलो एंड ग्रे sort of a color theme in my living room, so started making these paintings some time back. This one, okay, this one here, then this one, that one is upside down. I need to fix it. So all these need to change. They've been like this for a very long time, so I need to change them. तो एक पेंटिंग मैंने बनाना स्टार्ट किया था, वो बहुत दिन से इनकम्प्लीट रखी हुई है. बेसिकली कलर का काम हो गया था, पेन वर्क रह गया है, तो आई थॉट आई फिनिश इट नाउ. तब तक फिर प्रेश भी वापस आ जाएगा मोस्टली, एंड चाय का टाइम हो जाएगा. So let's finish it and then we'll see how the rest of the evening goes. So this is the painting I started making very long time back. Now I need to finish it. उसके बाद बस 2-3 छोटी पेंटिंग्स और बनानी है मुझे. Then I think it will be complete. So let's finish it quickly. And of course, I'm going to watch Netflix while I do this. I'm watching this show called The Bold Type. It has 4 seasons. I'm almost through with it. Really good show. Definitely recommend. You can check it out.
Apple.
Where is apple, baby? यहाँ बनाएगी मम्मा एप्पल. एप्पल. A for apple. क्या बेटा? बेबी ने लाइन बनाई है. ओके, लाइन. मामा लाइन. ये रहा. Very good, baby. Okay guys, so Arya woke up. I couldn't finish it yet. I'll try to do it once Presh is back. Now she's doing some art herself, so I'm going to continue it a little bit later. Okay. Okay. Guys, look what happened. I spilled tea all over my painting. Actually, I'll show you what happened. Oh! So yeah, that's what happened. Now the painting looks like this. Good thing is this black color didn't spread at all. I think it's waterproof, so it's exactly where it was. You guys look at it now and tell me if I should still finish it and let the background be the way it is, because I don't know, I think I'm kind of liking it's giving that artistic vibe to it. Nobody's gonna know it's chai anyway, even if they do, who cares. So have a look once again and let me know in the comments if I should finish this and put it up on my wall. You know what the funniest part is? When the chai spilled, I was more worried about my chai than the painting. Crazy, right? But I'm like that. I love my chai. What can I do? Do you see those stickers that I removed in my last video? If you saw it, some of them are already back. And I'm not going to show you my sofa. What happened this morning shall remain in this house. हाँ बेबी, लगाएंगे बेबी नेल पॉलिश. आ जाओ, यहाँ पे हैंड्स करो ऐसे. So cute. It has glitters, है ना? Don't touch it, okay? Dry होने दो. फूफू करो उसको. नहीं मामा को नहीं. She's putting for herself. अरे देखो हार्ट. मामा लगा लेगी बेबी. ट्राई करना बंद करो.
Mama has.
It's a mess.
Has your hands.
आरू बस करो. What is this? Yucky.
Yaxi. Yaxi.
यक्सी होता है कि यकी होता है?
Yaxi होता है.
यकी हो गया ना. No. She's putting the hearts on my face. नहीं, nails पे लगाते हैं वो. Stop her, somebody, please stop her.
Hello, come on, let's go.
Guys, so my battery died while I was talking to you last time, but then we had to go down because Arya wanted to go out for a stroll, and there are some street dogs there. We feed them milk and all, so she's very excited every day to go. Well, now I have these two cuttings of jade plant. It's been lying for 2 days now, so I think it's time I put them in. So this plant you must have seen before. This little guy is not growing at all. It's been like a year or something that it's in here, but it's not growing. But it's not dying either, which is good. So but anyway, it doesn't look nice. I put it here on this shelf and it doesn't show really, so I thought I'll put these bigger cuttings. I just got them from downstairs. There's like a huge bush of jade plants. So I just took 2 small cuttings. So there are these nodes, and you just cut it below the node and put it in the soil. So I'm just gonna put it inside this, and hopefully it will grow. Let's see. It looks like a very healthy plant, which is good. So this is how it looks. So this guy has a little family now here. I'm gonna water it now, and I have to remember to put it in the sun once in a while. Otherwise, I think this plant is really easy to maintain. It's looking really nice now. Love it. I want to show you guys something now. I got a bunch of stuff from Amazon. They are basically containers and stuff, different types, and they're actually for my next video, which I'm very excited about. But I'll show you guys what all I got, like in general, and then I'll discuss in details about the product and how I'm using them in my next video. My next video is going to be on refrigerator organization, which I'm very excited about. I have never done like a full-on refrigerator organization, like not for the videos in general, and I'm really need to do it because I think refrigerator is one thing that I haven't been able to organize so far. It's always like overloaded and all sorts of different things kept in it, and it just doesn't look pretty and it's not functional. So I want to organize it and use containers that will help me save some space inside the fridge, and just in general make it more functional and easy to use for every day. So yeah, this is all what I got. So these are all the containers that I got. I'm so happy to see them all together. I can't even tell you. These are some of the glass boxes, like they are basically lunch boxes, but just general containers for meal prep or anything. There are two types. One is like the normal one, the other one is like these with partition. So these can be used as lunch boxes or for meal prep or for leftover food. Then I have some small containers also, like these. Alexa, stop. I don't know what happened to Alexa. She started talking suddenly. So as I was saying, that I got these basically storage bins for refrigerator. I got these from Amazon only. I'll share the links and everything in my next video when I'm discussing in detail. So they come in 3 sizes and everything. So this, then I have these glass jars. So pretty these are. I got them in set of 6. Then I have these little guys. So cute. I have some more, like 2 of these. There's one basket, and then this is a very interesting thing. So these are basically containers with like a 1 second. These are these containers with this drain plate. So anything that you want to put which leaves out water and can spoil them, especially like greens and stuff, you can keep in this, and all the water will just go down the mesh and your things will not get spoiled. So yeah, pretty good. There's one more thing that is going to come, and I'll show you guys in my next video, of course. So yeah, I can't wait to start using them, but I have to shoot a video first, so I'm waiting for that. So really excited about this video. I hope you guys are too. This is something I've never done before, and I hope it works out fine. So that is what I wanted to show you. Now I'm gonna go check on what these 2 are up to. They are in Arya's room and playing and stuff, so I'm gonna join them now. See you guys. comb your hair. Yay! Ready हो गया. Very nice. Looking good. पारी कर दो. अच्छा कैमरा में पारी कर दो. Thank you.